Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable stew without coconut milk. We'll begin by building a robust flavor base. First, finely chop your aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery. Sauté them gently in a large pot with a tablespoon of olive oil until they become wonderfully soft and translucent. This initial step is crucial for developing a deep, savory foundation for your entire stew, ensuring every spoonful is packed with deliciousness. Next, let's layer in more flavor. Stir in a tablespoon of tomato paste, along with your favorite dried herbs like thyme and bay leaves, plus a pinch of smoked paprika. Cook for 1 minute. Then, pour in about 4 cups of rich vegetable broth or a cup of red wine followed by 3 cups of broth to deglaze the pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing all those wonderful flavors to truly combine. Now it's time for the stars of our stew, the vegetables. Add about 2 cups of diced potatoes, 1 cup of chopped sweet potatoes, and 1 cup of sliced mushrooms to the pot. If you like, stir in a cup of hearty greens like kale or spinach during the last 10 minutes of cooking. Continue to simmer the stew gently for 20 to 25 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. Finally, let's achieve that perfect stew consistency. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry. Stir this into your simmering stew and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasonings with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve your hearty, dairy-free vegetable stew piping hot. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.